Hello students, myself Dipendra Gupta from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Today I am going to explain some word problem which is related to resistivity. So first question is given that the resistance of 1 meter of nichrome wire is 6 ohm. It means 1 meter long nichrome wire has a resistance of 6 ohm. Calculate its resistance if its length is 70 centimeters. It means if length is decreases, then what will be this is 70 centimeter, which is less than 1 meter. So in this case we decrease the length of wire. So in resistivity concept I have told you, if the length of wire decreases, then resistance of that wire also decreases. Got it? It means resistance is directly proportional to the length of wire. So in this question, if resistance if its length is 70 centimeter, then you have to find out the resistance of that given wire. Got it? So what is given that L1 is 1 meter. If length is 1 meter, then resistance, it means R1 is equal to 6 ohm. If length is 70 centimeter, it means L2 70 centimeter. So you have to convert this unit in meter. SI unit is meter. So if you want to convert 70 centimeter into meter, then you have to divide by 100. Then you will get 0.7 meter. Now R2 you have to find out. The resistance you have to find out. Now we know that R is directly proportional to the length of wire. So this can be written as R1 upon R2 is equal to L1 upon L2. Put the given value in this, we get 6 by R2 is equal to L1 is 1 and L2 is 0.7. Then solve this, cross multiply to each other, then we get R2 is equal to 6 into 0.7, that is 4.2 ohm. So that is your final answer. If length is decreases from 1 meter to 70 centimeter, then resistance also decreases from 6 ohm to 4.2 ohm. That will be your final answer. Pause the video and note it down clearly. Now read the next question. A nichrome wire of 4 ohm. We have a nichrome wire which has a resistance of 4 ohm. If the length of nichrome wire is doubled on it, then calculate the new resistance of the wire. So in this question, resistance of a given nichrome wire has 4 ohm, and if we double the length of the wire, then what will be the resistance of new wire? So in this question, we have to calculate the new resistance when length of wire is doubled. So we know that resistance is rho L by A. In resistivity concept, I have told you, I have derived it, resistance is equal to rho L by A, where rho is the resistivity, L is the length of wire, and A is the cross section area of wire. So resistance is given that it means rho L by A, that is resistance, and resistance is given that 4 ohm. Now if when the wire is doubled, when the wire is doubled, then L dash will be L by 2. If you cross multiply to each other, then L is the default length of wire and 2L dash, that is the double the wire. When length is doubled, then area, that is A dash, will be 2 times of A. Got it? Now R dash will be rho L by A, L dash by A dash. Put the value of L dash, that is L by 2. Put the value of A dash, that is 2A. Now let the new resistance be R dash, then R dash by R. Find the ratio of R dash upon R. R dash, the value of R dash is given that rho L by 2 by A upon the value of R is given that is at rho L by A. Rho L by A. Here 2A. After solving this whole, rho L by 2 by 2A into that fraction will be reciprocal. It means A by rho L, L A will be cancelled out, rho also will be cancelled out, then we get 1 by 2 upon 2, that is 1 by 4. Here the value of R is given that is R dash by the value of R is given that is 4 ohm upon 1 by 4. 4 and 4 will be cancelled out, then R dash is equal to 1 ohm. So the new resistance of the given wire will be 1 ohm when the length of wire is doubled. Got it? So that will be your final answer. Pause the video and note it down. Now next question, we have a piece of copper wire of resistance R. we have a copper wire which have a resistance capital R. This wire is drawn out so that its length is doubled. If the length of wire is doubled, then find the new resistance of wire in terms of its original resistance. So if we increase the length of wire, then what will be the new resistance? We know that R is equal to rho L by A. This is the formula. R is equal to rho L by A. If we double the wire, it means L dash is equal to 2 times of L. Then what will be the area? What will be the area? It means area will be half, that is A by 2. Got it? Now R dash will be rho L dash by A dash. Put the value of L dash and A dash in it, then we get 2L by A by 2. Now solve. R 2L into 2 by A, that is 4 rho L by A. Got it? Now R dash by R will be equal to, put the value of R dash, that is 4 rho L by A upon value of R is rho L by A. Rho L by A and rho L by A will be cancelled out. Then we get R dash by R is equal to 4. Now R dash by R is equal to 4. Therefore cross multiply to each other, then we get R dash is equal to 4 into R. So new resistance will be 4 times of its original resistance. So that will be your final answer. Pause the video and note it down. Now next question is, calculate the resistance of 50 meter length of wire of cross sectional area 0.01 square millimeter. So first you have to convert this area in SI unit, that is meter square. And of resistivity. So in this question, resistivity, it means rho. The value of rho is given that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. And area is 0.01 millimeter square. Millimeter square. It means 0.01. If you convert millimeter to centimeter, then we have to divide by 10. And after this, centimeter converted into meter, then again divide by 100. It means if you convert millimeter into meter, then you have to divide by 1000. It means 10 to the power 3. But here millimeter is square. It means you have to divide again 10 to the power 3. Then area is equal to 0.01 into 10 to the power 6. If you want to remove this decimal part, then again you have to multiply in both numerator and denominator. That is 10 to the power 2 and 10 to the power 2. Then this will become 1 and this will become 10 to the power 8. And if you take this as a numerator, then this will become 10 to the power minus 8. That is 10 to the power minus 8 meter square. So area will be 10 to the power minus 8 meter square after converting millimeter square. Now what we have to find out? Here length of wire is given that 50 meter. You have to find out the resistance of the wire. So we know that R is equal to rho L by A. That is, the value of rho is given that 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 into the value of length is 50 and the value of area, that is 10 to the power minus 8. 10 to the power minus 8, 10 to the power minus 8 will be cancelled out. Then 5 into 50, that is 250 ohm. 2 into 50 ohm. To the power 6, 100, 100 and 100. So that will be your final answer. Pause the video and note it down.